The global theme for the year is Inspired by Nature, for climate, for our future. This theme emphasizes that nature holds the essential keys to addressing our most urgent climate challenges, advocating for a transition from mere environmental awareness to tangible, meaningful action. Key event details date. The event will be observed on Friday, June 5, 2026. Global host, the Republic of Azerbaijan, with celebrations centered in Baku. Official hashtags. Participants and supporters are encouraged to use Now for Climate and World Environment Day to join the global conversation. The 2026 campaign is built upon three primary pillars aimed at addressing the climate crisis. Climate action. This focuses on scaling up climate solutions and responding to the urgent signals currently being sent by our Earth. Nature-based solutions. This pillar emphasizes the protection of forests, oceans, and wetlands, recognizing them as vital carbon sinks and the foundations of our life support systems. Sustainable growth. This involves accelerating the adoption of clean energy, expanding electric mobility, and the construction of climate-resilient cities. Energy and emissions. Actively save energy and work to reduce emissions. Waste management. Commit to the principles of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Conservation. Protect nature and preserve biodiversity. Transportation. Choose sustainable modes of transport whenever possible. Plastic reduction. Say no to single-use plastics. Collaboration. Work together as a global community toward a greener future. The guiding philosophy of this year's World Environment Day is that every action counts, highlighting that small steps taken today will lead to a significant positive impact tomorrow.